Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing an Ulta haul. One of my favorite things. I love shopping at Ulta Beauty, and I have today for you guys a box of stuff. I have the big box. It's going to be a little bit of a haul. I'm excited to get started and show you guys what I got, so let's go ahead and get into it. First off, I did want to mention, if you are liking today's makeup look, I did a full face of trying new makeup, and this is the result of that. So I will have that video linked down below. It's already up on my channel if you want to check that out. And now we are going to dive into the Ulta haul. I have lots of stuff to share with you guys. So I'm first going to start with a product I'm really excited to try. I've been hearing amazing things about this. So this is from e.l.f. It's their Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So I've been hearing a lot of people say that this is kind of a similar dupe to the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, which is actually one of my absolute favorite products, like favorite skincare products. And I went through like multiple tubs at this point. So yeah, I was excited to try this one from e.l.f. I know it's not as much product because the pharmacy ones, I feel like it's a big tub of products, but nonetheless, I know it's a lot more affordable. I think this was $10 if I remember correctly. So yeah, I don't notice any scent or anything with it, but I'm curious to try it and kind of see formula-wise. I like that it has a little spatula as well. I love using cleansing melts to remove my makeup. It's my favorite way, so I go ahead and apply this, and then I'll use another cleanser to double cleanse with, but great for breaking down makeup. So looking forward to trying out a new one from e.l.f. And then speaking of cleansing balms, I actually bought a repurchase of this one from Soap & Glory. I have talked about this. I talked about it in my recent empties video at how good this one was. I was comparing it to the pharmacy again. I don't know why every cleansing balm I have to compare it to that one, but it's probably just because it's so good. So I was comparing it a little bit to that one, but this one's really good as well. So it's called the Glow Your Mind Nourishing Cleansing Balm. And this one actually has a vitamin C and also 4 loving oils in it, but it's a really great cleansing balm. Again, it's going to help really break down the makeup, remove your makeup. I didn't feel like this one was like overly milky. Sometimes that's my con when it comes to balms, is sometimes they're just a little bit too milky and I feel like they leave a residue. This one doesn't do that. It's really great. I think this one is $14, so again, a nice affordable option. I guess I do have quite a few repurchases in this haul, I didn't realize. So I actually got another one of these from Maybelline. This is called their Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and this is a great primer, you guys. I feel like this is so old. It's such a product that is like, I don't know, it's been around forever because I know like I bought this like a million years ago, but I love it so much. And I actually have mentioned on TikTok too a like hack that I do with this, and I kind of miss having it in my routine because of that. But you can apply this over top of your makeup. I know it sounds weird, but like using it underneath your makeup obviously to like blur the pores, but you can also put this on over top and actually just like kind of tap it over top your foundation to help just like blur out the lines. And it works really well for that. And I feel like I've tried it with other primers that are like silicone like this, but I don't feel like it looks as good as this one does. So a little hack, if you have this, try that and see if it helps to kind of blur your pores throughout the day. So next up, I did get something for my hair, and I actually recently got like curtain bangs. I feel like they're grown out a little bit now, but I've kind of wanted to try to use like rollers with them because I keep seeing like, you know, people kind of rolling them up and like having them like kind of drape down, if you will. So I want to try that. So I got these just like hair rollers. These are from the brand DryBar, and it just comes with 6 of them, and yeah, nothing too crazy, but just like some rollers. I have no idea how to use these, I will be honest, so I'm going to be kind of looking into videos on how to use those, but I want to try it. I want to try the method. This next product I just got because it was cute, but it is from the brand TonyMoly. They are a K-beauty brand, and I swear they just have like the cutest stuff, but this is a banana hand milk. And I'm sure it smells like bananas. I would hope it does smell like bananas. I mean, I guess I'm not sure, but I'm kind of hoping it does. It just looks too freaking cute. Like, I love stuff like this. I just feel like it's fun. And yep, it smells like bananas. So I just thought this was something just fun to grab. It was like $10, and I thought it would make a fun Instagram video too. And I feel like I just live for like fun packaging, and this was just cute to me. Next up, from the brand Ella+Mila. I never can say this right, but it's a nail brand. This is their Quick Dry Drops. Got a Jet Quick Dry Drops. And I am going to be doing my nails here again myself. I got a manicure this last time, but these are like my natural nails, and I'm getting ready. If you guys do not know, I'm currently 36, maybe 37 when you see this video, weeks pregnant with a baby girl. So I'm not going to be able to be going to the nail salon like I typically do to get my nails filled and done. So I'm going to be back to doing them myself, and I need something that's going to help kind of like make my nails dry quicker because I don't have all the time in the world to like sit there and wait for them to dry either. So this had good reviews on Ulta. I'm going to try it. It's like a little dropper that you can put to kind of help just like quickly dry your nails. If you guys have any other tips or any other like products that you love for that, let me know. But this one was high reviews and I was like, I'll try it and see if it helps because I am going to be doing them myself here really soon. Did grab this lip scrub. I've actually been wanting this forever, but it's been out of stock, and then it was in stock when I did this order. So this is from just the Ulta Beauty brand, and it's just a lip like exfoliator. I like doing this at nights, like actually when I'm like cleansing and everything, doing my lip care. I will put like a little scrub on and then kind of like not cleanse, but exfoliate my lips to just get rid of any dryness or anything. So I like that it was like an actual tool. The one that I have is a little bit larger, and it has like, I can't find it. I was gonna say if it's in front of me, I will show you guys, but it has like a flip side. So there's like a little spatula and then that on the other side, but I kind of wanted one that was just for the lips so I could keep it in my bathroom. So I grabbed that. It was a couple bucks. I think it was like $4 or $5. And then this I'm so excited about. I love WetNWild's eyeshadow formula. It's been a favorite of mine for like a long time. And I saw they were coming out with these palettes. They've been out a minute now, but I saw these and I was like, I bet you these are really good. And I feel like, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like WetNWild isn't like one of those brands that gets a ton of hype. I feel like kind of e.l.f. is like where I'm always seeing people talking about like their eyeshadow palettes and stuff, but I feel like WetNWild has a really good formula too. I think it's because they come out with so many like limited edition collections. I don't think they have like a ton of like I mean, they do. I guess their photo focus line has been out for a long time, but like as far as eyeshadow palettes go, I think they kind of like come and go. So I'm hoping these ones are a little bit more permanent, and hopefully I like it. Hopefully the quality, I feel like I haven't heard anyone like talking about it. I don't know. I'm excited to try it. Like I said, I have liked some of their eyeshadow palettes in the past. I feel like they have a really good matte. These look pretty. A really good matte formula, and this one just like screamed, I don't know, it screamed fall to me, but it also screams like my vibes. I love tones like this, kind of what I have actually on my eyes kind of right now. But yeah, I thought this was cute. This one is called the Color Icon Call Me Sunshine palette. They have quite a few different color stories in these, and I think they're like $5.99. The e.l.f. stuff, or the Wet-n-Wild stuff, was also buy one get one free. So I went ahead and grabbed their new tinted hydrator as well. I've been hearing good things about this. So this is just called their Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator, and it has hyaluronic acid, squalene, oil-free, sheer to medium coverage. I've been seeing a lot of people really enjoying this one, so since it was buy one get one half off, I was like, great, I can get both of them. So I did go ahead and grab that as well. I'm excited to try that. The shade that I got in that one is light. And another repurchase is the Buffet Serum from The Ordinary. I went through an entire bottle of this. I loved it. Actually, my friend here on YouTube, Kelly Gooch, was recommending this to me when we were in New York. Gosh, now it's been almost 2 years since we were there. That's sad. It's been a while since we were there, but she recommended this to me, and she was like, I've been seeing really good results with it, and I was like, okay, let me try it. And I tried it and I loved it. So I've been missing it in my collection, so I went ahead and grabbed another one so that I have it again, which is if you're looking for like just like a hydrating, a plumping serum, this one's really nice. And I also feel like it did a good job of kind of like blurring a little bit of my lines, so anything that can help with that, I am here for. A few more products. I didn't realize how much drugstore stuff I bought, but this is a new foundation from Maybelline. I feel like this color might look a little dark. I might have picked a wrong shade, but we'll see. This is called their Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. So it's a primer, concealer, highlighter, BB cream, base, corrector, illuminator. So it sounds like a lot of claims in it. It does have like that puff on the top, like their Age Rewind concealer. I think they have a foundation in that too, but I don't know. It's new and I thought I would try it. I've been really into like kind of that like barely there makeup, this skin tints and everything. So this is the light shade. I think there was one more. This is shade 1 though, so I think this is the latest one, but I don't know. It looks pretty dark in the tube, but we'll see. I don't know, maybe in the bottom it looks lighter. We'll try it out. We'll see. Let me know if you guys have tried that one yet. It's brand new from Maybelline. And then I also got from e.l.f. This is one of their lip colors. What are these called? They're Seriously Satin lipsticks. This looked cute. They only had one shade, so it was a red color, but I actually think, again, my friend Kelly, I'm pretty sure has this one, and I think she talks about it a lot and liking the formula in it, but it was $1, I'm pretty sure. Was it $2, $1.50? It was like, I think it was $1.50 actually, as I'm remembering, but packaging is actually kind of cute. It's just like a plain packaging, but let me swatch it. I have so many red lipsticks, but I could always use another one, but yeah, here it is right there. Looks nice. I don't know. I just saw this and I was like, okay, let me grab that because I haven't really tried. I've tried their tinted lip balms from e.l.f. and I really like those, but I really haven't tried a lot of their actual like lipsticks. So I thought I would give this one a try, see what I think. And then another repurchase. I told you guys this was like a repurchasing type of haul. I have the Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream from First Aid Beauty. You guys, this is good. This is so good. It's such a hydrating, nice, illuminating, everything it says eye cream. I love this one for the morning times. I just tap it on my under eyes, and I swear it really helps to just like blur them. It helps to light them up and make them look like my dark circles are no more. It's really great, and a little bit goes a long way, but I went ahead and grabbed another one of those. And then I also have in here, this is the aloe hand gel from TonyMoly. I think this was a free gift with the banana cream, because I was like, wait a second, I don't think I ordered this, but it's just, I think like a hand sanitizer. It says 62% alcohol though, so I don't know. A hand gel, I guess, is what this is, but I guess that must have came free. And then also, I always say if you are purchasing from Ulta, to make sure you're purchasing on, I feel like, Wednesdays or Fridays, because those are the days when they do like their, sometimes over the weekend too, but I feel like they do those point things a lot. Not point things, but like little gifts with purchases a lot on Wednesdays, and also I feel like on Fridays. Also want to say how fast this came to me. I purchased on Friday, and today that I'm filming this is Sunday, and it already came. So that was super quick shipping. But I did get this whole little baggie here that has a ton of different samples in it. And normally, I'll be honest, I'm not like crazy about like sample size stuff, but a lot of times these like little sets actually have like good size items. So first in here we have from L'Oreal, this is our less texture, more color lip color. So yeah, it's like a deluxe size, so I feel like you can get quite a few uses out of like one of these little minis. So let's see what else we have. We have a volumizer primer. This is also from L'Oreal. It's actually a really good lash primer. Oh, this is actually like a good size mini. This is from Maybelline. It's their Colossal mascara. That's like an actual mini that you could like purchase. From L'Oreal, we have the Revitalist Serum here, and I think this is just like a little sample size. I love that line from them. Another Maybelline mascara. This is the Lash Sensational mascara in here. Oh my gosh, there's so many. And then another one. We have the Falsies from Maybelline here as well. From Garnier, we have a brightening little serum. What is this? I thought this was like one of those snap bracelets. Do you guys remember those? Like those bracelets that you like snap on? I kind of thought that's what this was for a second. But it's actually just like a little luggage tag. And it's from the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And it says Destination to Paradise. That's actually kind of cute. I'm going to save that. But I thought it was one of those bracelets. I got way too excited for a second. And then there's just two more products it looks like in here. Oh, this is going to be perfect for travel. This is from Garnier. It's their Micellar Water. A nice little size there. I actually might throw this in my hospital bag to take with me. And then we have the Infallible Matte Primer from L'Oreal as well. I've never tried that. I love their Infallible line though, so I'm sure I will like that. So you guys, that is everything for this Ulta haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the products I grabbed. Like I said, there was quite a few repurchases in here, but also some new drugstore makeup. I didn't realize how much I grabbed that was drugstore, but yeah, let me know down below any products that you guys have recently grabbed or anything that you want to see from this video. If there's any products you're interested in, definitely comment that. Let me know if you have any nail tips for me, and I will see you guys in my next video.